FDP Mold Remediation of Reston is here to help you with professional mold remediation and removal services. With more than 50 years of expertise, we offer a wide range of services that'll fit any need. These include mold removal and remediation, mold inspection and testing, as well as moisture detection for houses and business properties. Mold remediation is a complicated process. It requires knowledge of the right chemicals, equipment, and skills in using them correctly to get rid of mold from any surface safely without causing damage or harm while doing so, but that's where we come into play. In order to keep your house mold-free in peak condition, our certified technicians do inspection first and then perform any necessary mold remediation procedures. Have questions about mold? Call us from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're always happy to help. Whether it's about finding out more information, getting a consultation with one of our specialists, or acquiring advice on what service is right for you, give us an opportunity by calling us now at 703-774-3369.